Hey y'all, it's your girl Shai and I am back with another video. This is going to be a synthetic wig install. This install is going to be super cute because it's a silver type of vibe. So right now I'm just putting on my ball cap. Y'all, I think I'm going to change the method on how I install these wigs because this glue was a little harsh. It's a little harsh. So I'm going to start using Got2b to just install these wigs. But after this one, we're going to use the Got2b and just see how that is. I installed the Got2b before. I just don't like how hard it is. But anyway, though, let's get into this install. So this hair is from Rasta Free Braid Hair. It's really from Fashion Source Wigs, but that's the sister brand to Rasta Free Braid Hair. This is in the style Kesnia. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And it's going to be real, real cute. It's that silvery type of blondish highlighted look. Like it's giving beach vibes. So I'm going in with my Erica J stronghold watermelon scent lace adhesive, and then I'm just going in cutting the lace, making sure it's very bald, very cute. Had to touch it up real quick because the lace was lifting, or not the lace, the cap was lifting. But yes, we're just going in with the ball cap method, and it's going to be popping. Okay, so as you can see that it's that silverish like type of blonde vibe. Like it's really, really cute. Absolutely love it. It's like a surfer type of beach wave. Like it's really, really cute because I love how loose the curls are. It's not even like a heavy, heavy curl, and it's layered really, really nice too. Okay, and with synthetic wigs, I only use one layer of lace glue because synthetic wigs, you can't really have them on and wrap them up really good without them like kind of getting a little knotted. So one layer of glue is fine. Use some lace glue remover to take the wigs off if you want to, and you'll be good. For human hair, raw, like virgin hair, I use 2 to 3 layers. Like that's the most I'm gonna use. But for a synthetic wig like this, I'm just gonna use one layer of glue. So what I'm using to lay down the lace is this net. I couldn't find my band, so I just laid it down with this net, and it still worked fine, okay? Okay, and what I use to lay this lace, y'all, is this even lace spray, and then my Makeup by Mario. I put it on my forehead, blended it in, and it look cute. Like it's giving, okay? It's giving scalp. Don't play with her. And this is the final look, y'all. I decided to put it up in a little ponytail. I was like, okay, the ponytail is giving. It's giving the vibes. And then I eventually just let it down. But y'all like and subscribe, do all of that. And I'll see y'all in the next video. It's your girl Shai B. Bye.